Hi guys, it has been a rainy evening and today I'll be sharing what I had for dinner nga mao ang baked scallops a la Maria Luz. Charot. Buot-buot. So first, what I did was to clean the scallops. Ako gikuhaan og mga lumot-lumot. And this is fresh, by the way, from Daan Bantayan for only 100 pesos per kilo. And I bought 2 kilos dili ah. So gilimpiwan gyapon ako ang scallops. I don't know why ako ang arms pakita diha. And now this is what it looks like after cleaning the scallops. O diba? And I already put the butter and cheese for each scallops. I can now put it in the oven and just wait mga pila ka minutes para maluto. And by the way guys, ako nagi-preheat taan ang oven para ready na igputang ang mga scallops. So I think I just baked it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Pero sige ako open sa oven to check. Pero dito gigutom. Got hungry, wala ko kaagwanta while waiting, so nagkuha ko mga 1 or 2 para sa matilawan ba. And here is our baked scallops. Sorry, dili siya perfect. Pero lami na kayo kaunon. Count na guys. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.